Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is the ID-Cooling NO-12015-XT fan. So this fan, as you can see, translucent blade, simply because it has ARGB LED. And as you can see by the name itself, of course, it says 15 here. See, 15, because it is a slim fan at 15 millimeters in height. And then it has rubber paddings at the corners to reduce vibration. However, if you want to mount like this, the front on any grill, be sure to provide some space, some padding, because the blade will tend to hit those whatever frames it's mounted on. So with that done, let's look at the benchmark. This is the performance of this fan against the Scythe Big Shuriken 3's stock fan. And the performance is very similar and both run very silently. It's just that this one has ARGB LED and you can hear it knocking on the table. That's because these are the connectors, ARGB connector and the PWM power connector. Well, that's it for this video. Very simple one to talk about this fan, and it's available over here in Malaysia at RM39. So yep, keep your eyes out. You might be able to get one really soon. Alright, so that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.
Coming soon on goldfries.
This is the TP-Link AX6600 router, of which I think you guys are gonna love.